I'm going to take the bottom rack out. And I am going to take this out first. Okay? It just lifts right straight up. And then you turn this counterclockwise to loosen it. And there it is. There's your filter. So then you turn this, you hold this part here, and you hold this, and then you just, a little twist counterclockwise, it just comes right off. So then I run it under hot water. You can do, put it in soapy water, and then you just take a toothbrush and you just run down like so and clean it. And then you put it back together. Now, what happens is, you need to do this. The minute it starts to smelling, you have, and I will take and run this over here. You end up having smelly water, I think was where the smell was coming from. And I still have water in that trap. So now, I'm going to just put it back together. This just goes like so, and then you twist it clockwise to get it back together, and then you have the wider side toward the front, and you just set it down in there, seat it down in there, and then you just turn this, and that seats it. See, it's nice and tight in there once you line up those arrows. And then you just get that back on there.